Okay, we just had Rainbow spin downwards and go to the TV. Now I've got Ocean. As soon as he's seen it, fly to the top. Oh, he's doing it now! And wants to do the same thing because they're boyfriend and girlfriend and they copy. And he didn't know how to do it at first. He's been there for a good 30 seconds. And he went up at first. And I'm like, why are you going up? And he's like, because up is easy. It's like climbing a tree. You can get up. Going down's a bit harder. And here comes Angel now to do the same thing. Yeah, she's in the way. Out of the way. Rainbow. Rainbow. They want to do it too. Because I haven't seen them do it, so it's a new thing. And Rainbow's in the way. Rainbow, look, you're getting told off. Out of the way. Rainbow, you're a bitch. Rainbow. And Rainbow does this. She's clever at doing things, and then she blocks others to try to achieve it. What a bitch, hey? Look at her. She deliberately does it. And if they go to achieve it, she even fires at them and does things. And I'm like, Rainbow, doesn't mean you can do it, doesn't mean you can stop others, you can pattern it. Here we go, here we go. Out of the way, she's coming in. Yeah, just push her out of the way, Angel. Yeah. Come on, Ocean, come again. Push her out of the way. Angel, yell out like in the movies and someone's trying to get up a ladder and there's a monster behind them. Go, get out of my fucking way or I'll knock you off myself. Yeah. There we go. Come on, Ocean. Come on. Yeah, she got there before you, eh? But you would have done it. I know. But she wouldn't move and you were nice. Yeah. So you flew back. There you go, buddy. Go again. Oh, you're just gonna go straight to there. Yeah, you angry. You pissed. Yeah. Annoying little women. Hey? Yeah. You just hang out there, up there with, Stormy. Stormy doesn't get jealous of anything. He just watches them. But these three are competition-y. Yeah, it's okay. You would have done it. You've done it already. I know. And they're just bitches. That need stitches? Perhaps not. Because you love them. Yeah? Yeah, they get lucky. For now, I love them. For now. Maybe it might change in the future. I've got to say that. Otherwise, they use and abuse me. And I will do what I say. Hey, Ocean. Yeah. They're not going to make me do it again. Anyway, people. Bye-bye. And have a good one.